These types of AI-generated faceless videos are going viral nowadays all over the internet. Check out this viral faceless Instagram page, which has gained over 400,000 followers within a short period and is making thousands of dollars every month using this technique. YouTube has many tutorials on how to create a no-face, no-voice AI video, but all require manual effort. Today, I'm going to explain how this can be done easily through 100% automation. With this automation, you can generate engaging real videos and earn from them. I will also show you how they earn using these videos with live proof. And before that, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more useful content like this. To kick off the automation, you have to create a Make account. If you are new to Make, you can get started with a free month of the Pro plan using the magic link given in the description. This plan will benefit you with over 10,000 operations, which will be enough for this automation. The complete scenario blueprint link for this automation is attached to the description, making it easy for you to follow this technique. Simply download this blueprint and copy it into your Make platform, and your automation scenario will be ready to take off. This is your complete faceless video automation scenario, including 4 different parts of automation: prompt generation, image and animated video generation, adding music to the video, final video upload to Instagram. So please don't skip this part, or you'll be missing your best chance to earn using AI and automation. Now, let's take a look at one of our trending videos. To make similar videos, we are going to do 4 simple steps as mentioned above. Remember, our blueprint in the description will make this super easy for you, and only you have to do is simply add connections in the scenario modules. However, I'll deliver a brief explanation for you to easily comprehend the workflow. To create automated faceless videos, we are going to use the following steps. Step 1 is to generate prompts for image and audio generation. For this, we add predefined topics to the Makes topic module, which can be customized, and the next OpenAI module will automatically generate the prompts. For this, you have to add a connection using the Add button. Simply paste the API key here, and your connection will be made. You can click on Online Help for further information. Step 2 is the image and animated video generation. For this, we will use an amazing AI tool called Leonardo AI to generate images using the prompts generated by OpenAI. You can quickly sign into this tool with your Google account and subscribe to the API plan, which is very affordable. Then create a new API key and paste this on the connection box to establish a connection with Make, and your image will be generated within seconds by Leonardo AI. The next part is to convert the generated image to an animated video. Leonardo AI is capable of creating animated videos, but we are using another AI tool named Immersity to generate satisfying animated videos. To do this, sign into the account and create a new API key here. Paste the key here to add the connection. Three API calls of Immersity are being used: Get Access Token, Disparity Map, and Animation. These 3 API calls will help you to create an animated video using the image generated by Leonardo AI. Step 3 is adding suitable background music to the video. Here we will use the Musicfy AI tool to generate custom music tailored to the generated AI video. As we did earlier, sign in to the Musicfy account to generate the API key and paste it here to add the connection. Musicfy will generate music according to the prompts, and the result will be delivered in WAV format. This WAV file will then be converted into MP3 using the APY hub in Make. To do this, sign in and create an API key. Then paste it here to create a connection. Then we use JSON2Video's Toolbox module to merge the generated music and animated video and wait for a Movie to Render module to wait for the custom video output. For this, simply log in to the JSON2Video's website and enter your email ID here. You will instantly get the API key in your email inbox. Simply copy the key and paste it here to add the connection. The final step in our automation scenario is uploading this custom-made animated video to the corresponding Instagram page. For this, we use the Instagram for Business module. Click on the Add Connection button and your connection will be made. You can click the Online Help for further instructions. So let's run the scenario. We got the final output on Instagram. Let's take a look at it. Now I'll show you how they are making money with this faceless Instagram account. As you can see from their bio, they are generating revenue in 3 different ways. The first method is providing freelance services. As you can see right here, they are offering their audience these video creation services. You may wonder why people need these videos. You'll get the answers once you scroll through the comments on their videos. Some people are very interested in similar videos. The second one is selling high-resolution wallpapers. You can see the proof by clicking this link. Here you can see they sold over 1,700 wallpapers for $3 per one. The third method is by selling online courses. They are selling a course for $100 that teaches you this AI image generation process that you have learnt for free in this video. These ways won't be hard with such a big follower list. I hope you've acquired clear information about earning money with a faceless Instagram account. If you know how to promote and sell, this technique will be a game changer for you. So that's it for now, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to get amazing content like this.